Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a headless dynamic site, headless dynamic WordPress. Okay, so on previous video I made a headless static WordPress. This was nice. We made it with plugin with free features, simply static. I'm gonna make another video for this later with pro features. Today we will focus on making dynamic site. So first, what is a dynamic site? To make a dynamic site, you need to get the data, the current, latest, real-time data from the source. Let's say this is my source. I have a website, I have a blog, lots of posts, okay? And I want to access these posts real time. How can I do that? We do that by APIs. So WordPress, all WordPress sites, if it is not disabled, has a JSON. I mean, if you disable this, you can't even use block editor. So yeah, it's called VP REST API. Everything built top of this, like everything with modern WordPress, site editor, block editor, custom blocks, etc. Everything built top of this. So, and we can get all the WordPress data, post data, pages, custom post types, custom field, taxonomies, everything. Okay, so let's say we are working headless, okay, and we want to get that data. How we are going to get it? We will use fetch simply. So let's see, I made a request, get me one page, one post, okay, from the posts, and this will get me this payload, this respond. Okay, now see, like the title, the content, the accept, anything, the date, author ID, featured media, I get lots of stuff. So we can make more requests, something like that. For example, I get with, let's make it 10, why not? See, look at this array. I get all the posts, multiple posts, 10 posts. Let's get 20 posts, why not? See, I got 20 posts. So you don't want to make this like 1,000 requests or something. So that's why we use pagination. Okay, so this is how it works. This is completely headless dynamic data, okay? And I coded something like that. Let's make this live. Let's go live. And all of this headless, completely headless WordPress. So when I click read more, I can get back to home page. Let's click back. Why didn't that work? I will fix that later. And we can click the logo to go back. We can read any post. It is completely headless, okay? And all the data coming from my live site. So to have a dynamic site, you have to have an online source, okay? You have to have online source. It can be an online database, it can be an online website like I do, but you need something online. So this is pretty simple. It's the same logics. I'm using the fetch to get the data. Let's make this wider so we can see something. Let's see, we are using the VP JSON, we are getting the post, and it has a pagination and stuff. It reads the data and process the data. And I'm using the tailwind to make it a little bit sexy so it doesn't look too ugly. And it is just one site. It is one page, HTML. Let's create the worker. Okay. Worker pages. This is the previous site. Let's make create a new page. Again, we don't need to use Git. Why use git.com? Let's name it like that. Oh, I didn't create it before. Nice. And we just need to upload this folder. It can be a zip or folder, doesn't matter. Yeah, sure. I just have one index HTML, nothing more, and deploy the site. This is a dynamic site because it's not static and we are getting every post dynamically. For definition, this is a dynamic site. Is that's simple. You just need to code something with the VP.json and do whatever you like. And the good thing is with VP.json, VP REST, you can do publishing a post, login system, commenting, getting the latest comments. On this example, I didn't do it, but it's possible. You can get the latest posts, comments, and you can publish comments and stuff. So it's pretty easy. Let's see if it is live. Let's give it a second. And ready. I just waited 3 minutes. That's it. Didn't take long. And this is the first publish. So when you publish first time on the Cloudflare pages, it takes a little bit time. But after that, it is just seconds. Like when you update and stuff, it is just seconds. Keep it in mind. So that's it. Now we have a headless WordPress. And it is dynamic. If I publish something on my site, it will show up in here. Should we do it? I mean, I don't want to publish anything right now, but anyway, let's do it. Why not? Just for the fun. Why not? Test. Yeah, why not? Let's make it harder to read. Okay, let's publish it. Let's see and refresh. Boom. Except of course it is counting the words. That's why it looks so ugly, because the words are really long. Let's make it shorter so it doesn't look that ugly, because there is no natural text like that, you know. Let's do that. Boom. Bada bing pow. Okay. Oh, sorry. I was looking at localhost. Okay, that's it. Now, instant. See, it is dynamic completely. Okay, that's it. There was lots of comments and questions about it, so I wanted to show like simple, like bare bones WordPress dynamic site, dynamic blog. We can call it blog. I mean, it can be anything, you know. This post could be pages, and it could be a enterprise website, company website. I mean, it is the same logic, nothing different. Okay, easy. If you need the code, just look at the code, because everything is front end. Have fun. See you guys on the next video. I'm gonna make another video for the simply static, connecting the GitHub and stuff. Bye.